We launched LOOG guitars 8 years ago here on Kickstarter. Ever since, every single day, we get messages from parents all over the world telling us how much their kids love their LOOG. Music teachers also write to us with inspiring stories of what they are able to achieve with our guitars. And sometimes we even hear from some of our favorite musicians in the whole world. LOOG is a line of guitars designed to make it fun, easy, and stimulating for children and anybody to play music. They come with flashcards that teach you how to form chords and an app that gets you playing songs on day one. We are now back on Kickstarter to launch our new lineup of electric guitars, LOOG Mini, LOOG Pro, and LOOG Pro 6. The all-new LOOG Mini Electric is a tiny electric guitar designed for kids ages 3 and above. It's about the same size as a ukulele, but plays, tunes, and sounds like a guitar. The LOOG Pro Electric is meant for kids ages 8 and above. Its slim 3-string neck makes it incredibly fast, easy, and comfortable for children to play chords, riffs, and songs. And then we have the all-new LOOG Pro 6, our first 6-string guitar. The LOOG Pro 6 is meant for 12-year-olds and above, including grown-ups. Players who are ready for a 6-string neck, and thanks to the accompanying LOOG app, will find it super easy to finally learn to play guitar. All 3 models come in different colors and have a built-in amplifier and speaker, so you can rock out loud, even with distortion, without having to plug your guitar into an amp. Also new is the revamped LOOG Guitar app. This free app works with every LOOG guitar and allows you to learn music through augmented reality and games that reward you as you learn. It's pretty magical, and it turns your LOOG guitar into a smart guitar without actually adding anything like LED lights, USB ports, or Bluetooth. Technologies that, in our opinion, don't belong in guitars. We took everything we learned through these years and arrived at what we think is the best guitar system for kids and beginners.
So here we are on Kickstarter, trying to see if there's enough of you who also think that this is something that deserves to exist. If you do, if you want to support this project, and if you want to get one of these guitars at a discount and before anyone else, this is our chance to make it happen together. Thank you.